The Jamaica Constabulary Force is mourning the murder of a police corporal who was gunned down at the intersection of West Avenue and Beechwood Avenue on Friday night. He has been identified as 47-year-old Corporal Christopher Smith, who was attached to the Kingston Western Police Division. Reports are that about 10:53, 5 men, all armed with handguns, drove up to the service station in a white Toyota Wish motor car and proceeded to rob employees. Reports further indicate that about 10:54, the officer unknowingly drove onto the scene. A CCTV video clip that has been making the rounds on social media shows an armed robber approaching the officer's vehicle, opened the driver's door, and after what appeared to be a quick tussle, the armed man opened fire at the officer, who was shot and relieved of his firearm. The robber and his cronies then escaped in the vehicle that they had arrived in. Members of the public assisted Corporal Smith to the hospital, where he died while receiving treatment. The robbers held up some of the pump attendants outside and took cash. They also reportedly held up and robbed the cashier inside. The St. Andrew Central Police are investigating the incident.